this is Neelam and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share my Nykaa haul with you guys. It is not from that Pink Friday sale offered by Nykaa, but I purchased these items much before that. It was pending from so long from my side. I thought to do this haul long before this sale, but nevertheless, today is the day. So without further ado, let's start with the video. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I happen to go to Nykaa to purchase anything, I feel so tempted to buy lip shades, and I often buy 1 or 2 shades along with other orders. So of course in this haul you are gonna see lot of lip shades all towards red zone or a neutral zone. Starting with this nude shade called Rosy Sunday by Lakme 925 Prime Matte. I love the shade. It looks amazing on me. I really like it. The texture is so smooth and soft. I've used other shades of this range, so I thought to order more. And yeah, next one is Scarlet Search from the same brand, Lakme 925 lipstick, and I'm looking for one good red color which hasn't clicked me yet, and it is not that red color that I'm looking for. This one I'm wearing right now. I don't know how you are liking it. It is okay kind of shade for me. Last one from the same brand is called Cocoa Break. It is quite out of my taste. It is cocoa in color as the name suggests, but I initially ordered it to use it as a contouring stick because it is quite dark in color, but it is useless on face. I don't know if I'm going to use it on my lips or not, but I may try and dare to wear it outside. Let's see. This one is again from Lakme 925, but matte mousse, weightless matte mousse, lip and cheek color. I love this range. I have other colors as well, but darker shades. This time Lakme has introduced more neutral shades, and I love this one. This one is Nude Cushion. In this haul, this is the best shade I have got, and yeah, next 2 shades that I'm going to talk about are from Faces Canada. I have used their concealer, illuminator and contouring stick. I'm a beginner, but I think their products are so easy to work with. They work magically. So I thought why not to try their lip shades. Again, one from darker shade red tone and one from nude shade neutral tone. And I love this nearly nude shade. It gives you kind of pink tone and quite great if you want a makeup with no makeup look. Another one is Crushed Berry. I really don't like the color. Apparently I was looking for a good wine color as well, and this is not the one. Though the texture and the pigmentation is quite nice. This time I have also tried K Products, a brand by Katrina Kaif, and I simply love this mascara. Initially I used to use this one from Maybelline. I never thought that I will be abandoning it and accepting other brands, but this one is simply amazing. I don't regret it buying. Again, a lip shade in wine color, and it is a perfect wine. I think it is not maroonish, it is wine, proper wine, and it says Style Icon. I don't know about the longevity yet because I haven't used it, but I will definitely tell you guys how it is. Another product that I'm going to talk about is this golden eyeliner. As I said earlier, K Products quality are so awesome. I was not expecting that because it is a new brand. I'm not regretting buying their product. The quality is so good, the texture is so smooth, it glides so perfectly like the lip shade. It is a pencil, so you need a sharpener to sharp it, but pigmentation is so strong. I don't know how long it will last, but I'm wearing it right now and I'll see and will definitely tell you. Last product from this brand is this setting powder. I haven't used it yet. I don't know the difference between all the powders available in the market, but quite useful to set your makeup. Oh my god, these 2 are the major disappointment from the whole purchase that I did from Nykaa. This one is Dancer and this one is Lover. No doubt the colors are nice, but the fragrance and the stickiness, no doubt it stays longer, but also at the same time it makes your lips chapped, which I really don't want with my lips. So I don't know if I'm gonna use it. It is so expensive as well, not worth the money. Okay, I'm not a very good fan of eyeshadows. I never tried any eyeshadow earlier, I mean before starting a YouTube channel, but it was limited to eyeliner, mascara, kajal and Vaseline. That's it. But this time I thought I should have at least basic colors in eyeshadow, so I ordered this LA Color Smoky eyeshadow, which I think every girl should have to get a smoky eye. I still have to train myself how to use eyeshadows, but it is my journey. Let's join my journey, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to grow with me, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my ID. And yes, So another one is from Nykaa Shadows Turner. I actually wanted to order some other palette, but that was not available, so I ordered Sundown's Turner. It is also nice color palette, quite neutral shades, but again I have to learn how to use them. There are other beauty YouTubers who don't recommend this product to buy, but unfortunately I heard their review later when I had it in my hand, because I was trying to find how to use it and suddenly I came across that video. As I was talking about the eye makeup, I'm trying to explore this area more to enhance the video of my eyes. I've recently started using mink lashes as well. Initially I ordered these from Amazon. They're also amazing. I like them. I don't know what will be the difference between these and this, because it is much expensive than this one. It is from PAC. Last product of this haul is this. These are lenses from PAC, 5 pair of different color lenses. But to be honest, I like my natural color more, and these are okay if you want to give a change. I just wanted to try, so I ordered. This is it guys for the today's video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram if you want to see a lot of styling videos. These days I am doing a series called Winter Outfit of the Day and doing it for the month of December. And please don't forget to stay connected, spread love. Sayonara. Is intense matte lip primer. No. That is, and that is, I don't know the color code. Nearly nude. Is this setting powder? Oh my! Video of my eye. These are okay if you want to try a change in your look. Ring light, इसका वो क्या है स्टैंड?
अंदर होगा।
अंदर हो ही नहीं सकता, स्टैंड कितना भारी होता है, कॉन्टैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. This one I tried. Not from that Bring Fire